What's up, girls? There we go, there we go. The past 4 years, I've gone through a hurricane, pandemic, one-of-a-kind winter storm. All of them, they have one thing in common, which was that the supply chain to supermarket was seriously disrupted for weeks. Dairy, meat, eggs just ran out of the shelves the first day. So one of the many things that I'm done is getting chickens to provide a steady source of eggs, protein, and vitamins for my family. For now, I live in a subdivision with a small backyard, so I've been looking for a chicken coop that is not too big, something that doesn't raise over the fence line, and it can host up to 6 to 7 chickens. So after some research, I found one that I think is what I've been looking for. It will fit pretty well my needs, so let's put it together. These are the parts that came with the Orpington Chicken Coop from the Chicken Coop Company based in Utah. All these pieces are for the run and coop. The assembly is fairly simple and the instructions actually are pretty clear. It took me around 2 hours to get it all together. I also gave the coop and run 3 layers of oil-based stain for additional protection. Just bear in mind that the instruction called for 2 coats a year. I decided to cover the bottom of the coop and run with cedar out of fence leftovers I had, which should provide additional protection against rotting. Although the coop I believe is made from redwood, so it should be very durable. If it rains and the door is open, water will get inside the coop and it will make a mess. So I put some cedar plank on top of the run close to the coop, kind of like a roof. In summer, I can stagger them to create a shade inside the run as well. And now, let's show our pride to the great state of Texas. Boom. The sliding door that comes with the coop is okay as far as you're willing to wake up every day at sunrise, which is not my case. So I bought this automatic door, which can be programmed to open and close at certain times, or just open and close depending on the light hitting the sensor. The door is smaller than the original one, so I'm going to build an adapter just to close this gap around. And this is how it looks like when it's installed. Thank you, girls.
you.